Welcome to this video on the history of mathematics, focusing on the influential Greek thinker, Thales of Miletus. Thales was the first of the seven sages, and is universally recognized as the first Greek philosopher, mathematician, and scientist. An engineer by trade, he brought a practical understanding of the physical world into the realm of abstract thought, and founded the Ionian school in Miletus. Greek mathematics used an alphanumeric system, utilizing letters for numerical values rather than distinct digits. This system lacked a zero, which significantly shaped how ancient Greek mathematicians approached abstract concepts. Thales facilitated a paradigm shift from mythos to logos. He moved away from the belief that supernatural forces determined physical events, arguing that understanding the world requires knowing its natural state, or physis, the root of modern physics. During his travels to Egypt, Thales studied under the priests and observed how they re-established property boundaries following the annual flooding of the Nile. He returned to Greece with notes that would help translate Egyptian practical surveying into abstract geometry. The evolution of geometry moved from the earth to paper. Egyptian methods used ropes and stakes, which Greek mathematicians later translated into abstract systems, using the straightedge and compass to define points, lines, and arcs. Thales demonstrated the power of proportion by measuring the height of a pyramid using shadows. By observing the moment his own shadow equaled his height, he used proportional reasoning to calculate the pyramid's true height without having to climb it. Thales also applied triangle geometry to maritime navigation, enabling the Greeks to calculate the distance of incoming ships from the shore to determine if they were traders or a threat. Thales is credited with inventing logical proof. He elevated simple measurement into rigorous philosophical logic, establishing the concept of formal proof for abstract propositions in mathematics. His work laid the foundation for essential geometric theorems, such as the bisection of a circle by its diameter, the equality of base angles in isosceles triangles, and the equality of opposite vertical angles. Further geometric contributions include the theory of triangle congruence and what is now known as Thales' theorem, which states that any angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. Beyond geometry, Thales looked to the cosmos. He is credited with defining the Ursa Minor constellation for navigation and is famously said to have predicted the solar eclipse of 585 BC. While some stories portray him as an absent-minded philosopher, others highlight his practical genius, such as when he used meteorological skills to predict a bountiful olive crop and secure a fortune. Thales' legacy persists in his profound insights, including the idea that nothing is more active than thought and that we must always seek to understand the world around us. Thank you for watching this video on the contributions of Thales of Miletus to the world of mathematics.